Hi guys. So yesterday I just decided to see what's inside my Lenovo T430. Yeah, and some motherboard right there I managed to get underneath. Yeah, as you can see, the core. That's you have to be careful. So don't do this. Don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. All right, just be very gentle. As you can see, that's the core processor. Right. Yeah, so I moved. Normally, this RAM would be not here, would be underneath. So it would be here. Yeah. So, yeah, I decided to move it to here so that, when I upgrade, it'll be easier. Yeah, so I got in underneath the motherboard. Hey, very, very interesting. And now I'm gonna clean it, obviously with a soft brush. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, that's it, guys. Now put it back together, and after I put it back together, then I'll stream another one. Yeah, interesting. If you don't have the guts to do it, take it to the professionals, highly qualified technicians, right?